The American oystercatcher is one of our larger shorebirds, with a long, stout, bright orange bill, a large head, chunky neck, and long, thick legs. Although they look black and white from a distance, up close you will see their back and wings are actually brown, with a black head and breast, white underparts, a beautiful yellow eye with a red rim. In flight, they have an incredibly striking bright white wing bar and a white tail base. American oystercatchers are generally found on offshore islands and around beaches and salt marshes, where you'll find them probing sandy and stony areas looking for bivalves like clams and oysters.